If you go back to the video I explained about the moving averages, do we still take a trade when they're close together? I don't know if you noticed, but to the left of the trade example that I showed you was a trade on its own, to the downside, a short trade. So what I'll do is I'll just run through this trade now. Now as we see the exponential moving averages, the 40 period, the green line, is below the 80 period. So we're only taking short trades at that point. Now as you see here, the Williams percentage hour indicator is in the overbought position and then comes back down below the minus 20 line to give us a trade signal. So where we broke the line was on this large red candle here. So we placed an order 2 points, 2 pips below the lowest part of this candle, and we also placed a stop order at the same time just above the recent highs, so just above that blue candle there, a couple of points above that, but never more than 50 points away. And also when we placed the order, step 5, we placed our take profit limit order. Now, as we can see, we were taken into the trade on the next candle, and we moved down. You can just see that black line that I've highlighted. That was our profit target order, and it was hit. So there was a nice trade. So that gave us 2 trades, 2 winning trades next to each other. But I don't know if you also noticed, but on this side of the example trade I gave you, we also had another winning trade. Now first of all, we look at the moving averages in step 6, and you can clearly see the green 40 line is above the pinky purple line, the 80 period. So we're looking at taking long trades only. So we wait for the Williams percentage hour indicator to weaken, to go into the oversold area this time, which it did. It came back through just at that point there, 7. So what we did, we placed an entry order just a couple of pips above that candle, also placing our stop order and limit order at the same time. But as we can see, we weren't taken into the trade on that order, so we then moved the order down to the next candle. The reason being, the Williams percentage hour indicator is still above the minus 80 line. But that order wasn't taken. So do we move the order down onto that candle? This time no, because we've moved back underneath the minus 80 line. So the order was removed. But on the next candle, that pushed us out of the oversold area, back above the minus 80 line. So we placed an order just at the top of that big blue candle. At the same time, we placed our stop loss order. It should be a couple of pips under the recent low, but that was too far away. So what we've done is we've just gone for the maximum 50 pips, just there. And also at the same time, we placed our profit limit order. Now, as we can see, we were taken into the trade on the next candle, and we just hit our profit order on step 11. So all in all, what we had on this one screenshot was a short trade, a short winning trade there, a winning long trade there, and a winning long trade there. So 3 winning trades all in succession. Okay,